Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Recool Hair for sending us this beautiful wig. We are gonna go inside. We have an extra bag right here. The wig is right here, but let's talk about what's in the bag first. Let's see all the goodies. Lash, wig cap, tail comb, bonnet, clips, a band, edge brush, edge band, hair clips. I really do appreciate these. I use these, okay? Now let's get into the hair. This is a highlighted wig and it is beautiful so far. It is neatly packed. There's also a booklet where you can find your social media and how to care your hair. Let's unwrap the wig. It's a 5x6 closure wig. That's how they start making them, I guess. It's no more 5x5, okay? So it's a little bit bigger, 5x6. It's already cut. The lace is already cut. See, wigs are making so much easier for beginners. We have a adjustable band, a comb in the back, adjustable strap on the wig, and 2 combs on each side, as you guys can see. Now we are definitely gonna add some makeup to this here, but it has this like a balayage highlighted color in it, 22 inches body wave, and as you guys can see, they already curled the wig, which is definitely a plus for me. Okay, less work. Even if I feel like I want to add some more curls, there's already curls, so it's gonna be super easy. So I do appreciate that. Thank you, Recool. We're definitely gonna install this wig. It's gonna be super easy and I am excited. The middle part is already there, so super cool, beginner friendly. If you don't know how to do wigs, it's also a closure wig, which is gonna be super easy for you. It's already styled. All you gotta do is do a little bit of something to it, add it to your hair, and you should be fine. So it's preference. See how bouncy those curls are? Super bouncy. If you're a person who don't know how to do hair, want a wig, need a change, you can get this wig. It's already cut. It's super easy for you guys. We're gonna go in and do the wig. It's so pretty. Look at those highlights. Super cute. You can get shorter, longer length if you please, or you can do another wig. They have options on their website. So make sure you check out Recool. We're gonna install this wig and I absolutely love it. So let's get into this. All right, we're gonna style the wig, and I'm definitely gonna cut some of the lace off and do a little bit of plucking, but I want, oops, that went well. I have to draw the band tighter. Hold on. It's been a while I don't style a wig on a mannequin head, but that's what we're doing today. We're gonna add some more curls and add a little bit of layer to this wig. I love that it has the curls already. I don't think I want to flat out the top. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add layers in the hair, and we're gonna pluck it. See, it's so curly. We're gonna give it a little bit more body by adding layers. You see that? Even with adding layers, you probably don't even need to curl it again. with one side. This side is done. We're gonna pluck this side. If you guys look, you can see the difference with this side and that side. Okay, so that's done. All I'm gonna do is just take out the front. Alright y'all, we're adding some curls, just some bouncy curls to the wig. Just re-adding the same curls. I'm going in the same pattern, just changing the front of it, using some heat protectant as well. And I'm using this jumbo curling iron just to create back the same pattern, just for it to have a little bit of flair to it. But I tell you, the curls that come in it, you don't need this. So if you're a beginner, you don't have to trouble the wig. Alright guys, this is the wig. So pretty. We are done. We're gonna definitely go ahead and do the install now, which is gonna be super easy because it's a closure, 5x6 closure. Alright, so we did not put no braids in our hair. We're gonna try this first. This is how you know if a wig is snug. Say what now? Are you kidding me? Y'all see what's going on? This is a closure wig. I'm trying to find a different. Guys, I really want to wake up right here. Come on now. This is no joke. Alright, Recool, come on. This is it, y'all. There's nothing needed. I add nothing to this hair. The only thing I am going to do is we're gonna flat the top right here. That's the only thing. I'm not gonna lie, I be slaying these closure wigs, aren't I? Okay, oh, it's so pretty. Okay, enough of that. I'm just showing you guys how flexible this hair is. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's body wave. Make sure you guys check the description. Recool, thank you again for sponsoring this video. It is a body wave, Balayage. That's how you pronounce it. Like, it's more like a highlighted. That's what the name is. So it's a highlighted wig, 22 inches. You can get longer, shorter, girl. Add some layers to that. And you Gucci, you don't have to cut the hair. You don't have to even make any curls because it comes with curls. I just wanted mine to look more fuller and more flexible and more bouncy. so I can do all of this, hence why I do it like that. So it's more like of a natural vibe for me, where I could just do anything. You see, love it. Remember, it's a 5x6 closure, so you can't go wrong. Thank you again. Let's see a slow-mo with this. Make sure you check the description. Thanks to Recool. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get into it.
you.